Helix mattresses are premium hybrid beds that combine contouring foams with individually wrapped coils to deliver balanced comfort, pressure relief, and support tailored to your sleep style. Known for their personalized sleep quiz, zoned lumbar support, breathability, and cooling features, Helix beds help improve alignment and reduce motion transfer, making them a top choice for many sleepers and couples. Starting at number 1, Helix Midnight Luxe Mattress. The Helix Midnight Luxe Mattress Queen is a premium hybrid mattress designed for balanced comfort and support, combining plush memory foam layers with a zoned, individually wrapped coil system to cradle pressure points and promote proper spinal alignment. Standing about 13.5 inches tall with a soft pillow top cover, it delivers medium firm comfort ideal for side and combination sleepers. Excellent motion isolation, reinforced edge support, and enhanced breathability with options like a Tencel TEM or Glaciotex TM cooling cover to help regulate temperature throughout the night. Backed by a generous sleep trial and limited lifetime warranty, it's a standout choice for those seeking a luxurious, pressure-relieving mattress built for restful sleep. Number 2, Helix Dusk Luxe Mattress. The Helix Dusk Luxe Mattress Queen is a premium hybrid mattress designed to deliver balanced comfort and support with a medium feel that's especially good for back and stomach sleepers or couples with differing preferences. It features a plush, quilted pillow top over layers of responsive foam and hundreds of individually wrapped coils with targeted zoned lumbar support to help maintain proper spinal alignment and relieve pressure points. The reinforced perimeter edge support and breathable foam construction promote durability and airflow, while the mattress ships conveniently in a box with a 100-night sleep trial and limited lifetime warranty. Number 3, Helix Moonlight Luxe Mattress. The Helix Moonlight Luxe Mattress Queen is a premium 13.5 hybrid bed designed for soft, plush comfort with targeted support, combining a quilted pillow top and high-quality foam layers with hundreds of zoned, individually wrapped coils to gently cradle your body and help maintain proper spinal alignment while you sleep. Its construction promotes pressure relief, responsiveness, and breathability, and you can choose between a breathable Tencel TEMS cover or an upgraded cooling Glaciotex TEMS cover for enhanced temperature control. Ideal for back and stomach sleepers or couples with different preferences, the Moonlight Luxe offers a luxurious feel with supportive coils and edge stability, all delivered conveniently in a mattress in a box format with trial and warranty support. Number 4, DreamCloud Luxe Queen Mattress. The DreamCloud Luxe 14. Queen Mattress is a luxury hybrid bed in a box designed for exceptional comfort, support, and cooling performance. Featuring a 7-layer design with gel-infused memory foam and a plush cloud quilt TM Euro top stitched with cooling fibers, it delivers deep pressure relief and breathability while the individually wrapped coils provide responsive support and airflow. This mattress also offers a 365-night home trial and a forever warranty, and its Certipur Yisr certified foams are fiberglass free for a healthier sleep environment, all packed into an easy to set up mattress in a box format. Number 5, Coolvie Queen Mattresses. The Coolvie Queen Mattress 14 Thin is a medium plush hybrid mattress in a box that combines soft gel-infused memory foam with independent pocket springs for balanced comfort, pressure relief, and strong motion isolation. Great for couples and restless sleepers. Its Euro top and breathable 3D knit cover promote airflow and help regulate temperature, while the pocketed coils provide targeted support and reduce partner disturbance. Designed to adapt to your body's curves, it offers a plush feel with supportive lift across back, side, and stomach sleeping positions, and comes with a 100-night trial and extended support for risk-free testing.